Ryan Knight's here. Let's give y'all a little heads up. Oh, crap, the sun's bright. Recovery efforts have so far been unsuccessful for the Phantom 3. I'm very upset because I had to take my wife to right on the outskirts of Nashville, and her and my son are going to Oklahoma for her brother's wedding, and they got some beautiful stuff out that way, and I'm just now getting back into town. We left about 4:15 this morning, and here it is, almost 7 o'clock, and I'm just now getting back. But I planned on taking the Phantom 3 with me, so I can pull off on my way back and do some nice scenery shots and stuff like that. But unfortunately, I didn't find it. So I got a question for everybody out there that's watching this. If anybody has a Phantom 3 Advanced or a Pro, I would love to get a Pro, but an Advanced, that's what I had. I loved it. I don't want standard or a 4K. Because I still got everything for it. The only thing I'm missing is the drone. But if anybody's got Advanced or a Pro, hit me up. I don't have much to work with. Not really much at all. But if someone could throw me a deal, that'd be awesome. I'll make sure you get the recognition you deserve, especially if you hook me up. I got a job lined up, and I can't even do the job now. I just wish I knew what happened to my drone. It just stopped. In midair, and I watched it spin down, and it was at the last recorded position was at 1,300 feet still, and it was at 52 miles an hour going down. So I don't think it survived the crash. If it did, there ain't much left of it. I'm about to guarantee you that. So either way, I'm probably gonna need another one. But if you know anybody that's got a Phantom 3 Advanced or a Pro, or if you have one and you're willing to hook me up, I'll make it right with you somehow. I got all these other drones. I'll trade you I'll give you every drone I got just to get me another Phantom 3. And all the drones I got are worth more than a Phantom 3 Pro or Advanced. Maybe not a Phantom 4, but a Phantom 3 for sure. I'm not asking for a Phantom 4 either. The only reason why I want to go back with a Phantom 3 Advanced or a Pro is because I still have my controller. I still have everything for that. And most of the stuff I got really won't work with a Phantom 4. But it would be great if someone could hook me up. I got a job lined up that I need to get done now. I can't get it done because of this. That job starts next Thursday, which I'm gonna be doing. It's not nothing big. It's to get me started, my foot in the door, doing real estate photography, freelance jobs. So if anybody could please throw me a bone, I would be eternally grateful. And I'll figure, if you do got one that you want to get rid of, message me, let me know, and we'll work something out. Like I said, I don't have a lot of money, so it's going to be kind of hard for me to do a lot. Just keep that in mind. If you got one that's got like one or two burnt motors, I got some extra motors. Uh, the camera has to work though, because I don't have anything extra for camera wise. Trying to think what else. I got a few other things, but it ain't gotta be in the best shape. As long as it flies and the camera works, well, it really don't have to fly as long as it's just a motor. Because I can fix that, but that's all, I need to find out. So please, anybody that might have something they can hook me up with, and like I said, just message me and we'll go from there. See what I can do. See if we can come to a agreement, and I'll find a way to make it up. With what money I don't have, I can make it up other ways. You know what I mean? Like I said, I got all these drones I can send out. I think what else I got. Um, if you're in the area, I can probably even throw a good sized tattoo on you. Something. I said, just hit me up. Let me know if any of y'all got something. I said, it does have to be a P3A or a P3P. Those are the only two I can get right now because of the stuff that I got. I did contact DJI, but unfortunately, without warranty, they can't do nothing. Now they can't even do a data analysis on it without being. I thought they could at least do the data analysis, but they can't. I knew I wasn't gonna be able to get parts or anything like that, but I figured at least they could do the data analysis, and they won't. So that kind of sucked. But I'm gonna try one more time today. I'm flying some drones out and see if I can find this thing. It was supposed to be pretty nice. The winds died down. Come a downpour on me yesterday, which sucked. But I'll go try to get the drones out. Try to go one more time out in this field. See if I can find it. That don't work, then I don't know what I'm gonna do. I hate to cancel a job because of something like this, but if I have to, I have to. But I'm gonna jump off here. I just got home. I'm gonna go in here, catch me a little bit of Z's, 'cause I didn't sleep much. And when I get up, I'll check my messages or whatever. Hopefully somebody's seen this by then and has an idea of how, it'd be great to help me. And if I do find it, sure enough, I'm gonna have a video of it and I'll show y'all what happened. Okay. But this is Ron Knights. Man, I'll see you guys later. Y'all have a blessed day.